Okay, my beautiful friends, another day, another record high for the S&P 500. Imagine my shock. You can't imagine how surprised I am. No, I'm not surprised at all because I told you it's not going to stop. To be fair, the Dow Jones Industrial Average did fall slightly, and the Nasdaq put on a nice gain today. But the S&P 500, new all-time record high. It's just a matter of time before this market starts taking off, and a lot of that today had to do with crude. Crude oil got hammered, fell another 2%. You know how it works, people. Wait for it, because I promise you, it is coming. A false flag, some kind of event to prop up crude oil. They're not going to let it fall, so don't even think about it. It's going up. It's just a matter of what they're going to pull off. And it scares me to think it's going to be something big, because they've tried a few things lately. They wedged the ship in the Suez Canal. They basically wiped an oil refinery off the map, and neither of these events was successful in really pushing crude higher. Sure, it may have established a little bit of a floor, but something else is coming. Something in the Middle East is coming, and it's going to be big. So wait for it. That's the game. That's how they play it. So what else is going on? Cryptocurrencies about flat. Ethereum was a big winner today, over 3% gain. Gold and silver turned around nicely. We got nice gains on gold, nice gains on silver. Dollar lower today. 10-year yield about 1.73. Like I explained to you earlier today in my morning report, I said it was a nice setup for the market. And look, a new record high for the S&P 500. Now, of course, we're going to hear from President Dodo, who is about to talk about his infrastructure plan, trillions of dollars. Guess where it's coming from? Yeah. And we'll see how that affects the markets. I have no idea. The market often responds in very peculiar ways. But it's going to be interesting to see what he says, how he says it, if he can say it. And we're just going to watch that freak show because it's just a complete freak show on a scale that we can't believe. But anyway, look, today was really a nothing day, pretty much a zero. I mean, oh yeah, sure. We hit a record high with the S&P 500. You knew it was coming. It's not going to stop. Sure, we're going to waver around. What's the trajectory for this market? Higher, much higher. Why? Trillions of dollars being created out of thin air. Market loves it. President Dodo, I think you know who I'm talking about. That's his new name for me. He's going to make sure, more cash is created out of thin air, borrowed into existence, further empowering the Federal Reserve, the New World Order. I think you all understand that very clearly at this particular time. Are you watching the daily fear program known as the CDC? Every day now, the CDC is out with something new to be afraid of. Can't make it up, but this is how they control you. I know you're not allowing that to happen if you follow this blog. Don't fall for it, okay? Don't fall for the look here, don't look here, the propaganda, the fake news. We got terrible news again on the housing front. What would you expect? Sales falling off of a cliff, debts and deficits exploding, manufacturing, it's over. The economy in free fall, no end in sight, really no end in sight. I don't care what they're trying to tell you. They're going to try to sell you that the 10-year yield is rising lately because our economy is strong. It's unbelievable. But some people buy it. Some people buy it. They do. I don't know how they do, but they do. It's very twisted. All right, so just real quick, short video today. In summary, new record high for the S&P. Nasdaq put on a nice gain. Dow finished slightly lower. Crude oil got hammered. Wait for it. Wait for it. Something's coming here. Dollar slightly weaker. Cryptos, okay, slightly higher in aggregate. Gold and silver, nice turnaround here. Now let's hear what comes out of the mouth of Dodo. Dodo. That's who he is. He's Dodo. All right, look, this guy right here loves you a lot. I really mean that. Please share the video, and I'll see you in the morning.